Example 4 says a pilot flying at an altitude of 2.7 kilometers sights two control towers directly in front of her. So pilot's up in the air and it says at an altitude of 2.7 kilometers. Sights two control towers directly in front of her. So here's a control tower and here's a control tower. I'm going to connect those with her line of sight. The angle of depression to the base of one tower is 37 degrees, and the angle of depression to the base of the other tower is 58 degrees. So here's our horizontal line. So this first one, depression is going down from our horizontal, remember, so this first one has to be 37 degrees, and then here has to be 58 degrees. The angle of what is the distance between the two towers? Round to the nearest tenth of a kilometer. So they're wanting to know what this value is right here. So what we know is alternate interior angles. So if I extended this out here a little bit, this angle up here at the top is 37 degrees. So this angle here at the bottom would be 37 degrees. And then this larger angle is 58 degrees. So then this angle would be 58 degrees. So we are, again, trying to find that x value. So in order to find that x value, we're going to need to know the y value. And we're also going to have to know this distance right here, the entire distance, and we'll call that z for now. All right, and I'm going to erase some of these dots so I have some more room to work. All right, so in order to find the value of y, if we're going to look here, we have the angle of 58 degrees. We have an opposite side, and we're trying to find the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent is our tangent. So our tangent of 58 is going to equal 2.7 over the y value. So we're going to times both sides by y. And we'll have 2.7 on this side, and we will have the tangent of 58 times y over here. And then we're going to have to divide by the tangent of 58. So we'll have y left here, and we will have 1.687 here. Then for the z value, we have the angle of 37. We have the opposite side. And we're trying to find our adjacent side of z. So again, the tangent of 37 is going to be the opposite, which is 2.7 over z. So we're going to have to times both sides by z to move that. So we'll have the tangent of 37 times z is going to be equal to 2.7. We're going to divide by the tangent of 37. So z will equal, divide there. Z will equal 3.583. Well, if I know the entire distance and I know part of the distance is y, I know that value, then I could just subtract these two. I could do 3.583 minus 1.687, and I get an answer of 1.896. and it says round to the nearest tenth. So that's approximately 1.9, and we are talking about kilometers. So the distance between the two control towers is about 1.9 kilometers.